The surprising reasons why beautiful websites fail. We all love beautifully designed websites, but here's the hard truth. If it's slow, it's costing you money. While aesthetics matter, speed and performance are what truly keeps visitors engaged and drives conversions. Think about this. Every additional second your website takes to load can drop your conversion rates by up to 4.42% based on a study by NitroPack.io. And if it takes longer than 3 seconds, 40% of shoppers will abandon it altogether based on a study by Shopify. That's nearly half of your potential customers gone before they even see what you have to offer. A slow website doesn't just frustrate visitors, it directly impacts your bottom line. But the good news, optimizing your site's performance won't just improve customer experience, it will boost conversions. It can improve your search ranking and increase your revenue. So the real question is, how much money are you leaving on the table because of load time? Well, let's fix that. I have good news for you. You don't need to do a complete website overhaul. There are a couple small tweaks that you can make to provide optimization for your page speed. First, let's start with images. High quality visuals are great, but if they're not optimized, they'll drag down your site speed. The key, use compressed formats like WebP and tools like TinyPNG or ShortPixel to shrink the size of images without sacrificing quality. Next, consider a content delivery network like Cloudflare. It can supercharge your load times by distributing your content across multiple global servers. This ensures that when a visitor loads your website, they're loading from a server closer to their location. Now let's talk about themes and plugins. I have seen it again and again. On WordPress, websites using heavy themes that are bogging down their websites. These bloated themes can slow down performance, so always choose a lightweight, fast-loading theme to keep your site running smoothly. And in that same realm, here's a big one: reducing HTTP requests and minimizing code bloat. Every extra script and style sheet adds load time. So minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML with tools like WP Rocket, Auto Optimize, or Google PageSpeed Insights. These tools combine these separate scripts and codes together and cuts out clutter and helps speed things up for you. And finally, let's focus on the user experience. Prioritize the above-the-fold content. This means visitors see what they need to immediately when the site loads, and you can use lazy loading tools so that everything else loads in the background or as they scroll down the page. This will help you keep your engagement high and your bounce rates low. By implementing these strategies, you'll not just make your site faster, you're making it more profitable. Because in today's digital world, speed isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. Thank you for listening to this presentation. If you are struggling to drive traffic and turn visitors into paying customers, well, you're not alone. But the good news is that we have you covered. We put together some special step-by-step marketing checklists that are designed to help you attract more visitors, boost conversions, and grow your business without the guesswork. These are not generic tips or fluff. They're proven, actionable strategies that actually work. Whether you're looking to improve your SEO, optimize your website, or run high-converting ad campaigns, our checklists lay it out for you. And the best part is they're free. Join our free membership today and get instant access to our marketing tactics so that you can start using them right now. Visit timberwolfadvertising.com/free membership and start transforming your marketing right now. My name is Justin Kuntz, CEO of Timberwolf Advertising. It has been a pleasure to talk with you today, and I look forward to helping you grow your business.